abandon, ability, absence, absolute, abstract, academic, accelerate, access, accompany, accomplish, account, accumulate, accurate, achieve, acknowledge, acquire, adapt, adaptability, addiction, adequate, adjust, administer, advantage, adventure, adversity, advocacy, advocate, effect, affiliation, affordable, agency, agenda, aggressive, alleviate, alliance, allocate, alternative, ambiguity, analysis, ancestor, ancient, animosity, annihilation, anticipate, anxiety, apparent, appeal, appetite, applicant, appreciate, appropriate, arbitration, architecture, arise, arrangement, articulation, artificial, ascendancy, aspect, aspiration, assess, assortment, assumption, assurance, astonishing, atmosphere, attachment, attainment, attempt, attractive, augmentation, authentic, authority, autonomy, available, average, aversion, balance, barrier, beneficial, benevolence, betrayal, biodegradable, boundary, brevity, calculate, candidate, capacity, catastrophe, category, celebration, challenge, characteristic, circumference, circumstance, clandestine, coercion, coherence, collaboration, collapse, collective, combination, commence, commendation, commitment, commodity, communication, community, compatibility, compensation, competition, complicity, comprehensive, concept, concession, conclude, confidence, conflict, conformity, connotation, consequence, consist, consolidation, constant, construct, consultation, consumption, contemporary, contention, context, contingency, contradiction, contribute, controversial, convenience, convince, cooperate, coordination, core, corporate, correspond, credibility, criteria, crucial, culmination, cultural, currency, current, debate, decade, deception, decline, dedicate, deficit, definition, degradation, deliberation, demarcation, demonstrate, deny, departure, dependence, depression, derive, deserve, detection, determination, deterrence, develop, devote, dichotomy, diligence, dimension, diplomacy, discrepancy, discrimination, disparity, dissonance, distinct, distribution, divergence, diverse, dynamic, ecstasy, efficacy, efficient, elaboration, emancipation, embellishment, emphasis, empowerment, enable, encounter, enlightenment, enormous, enrichment, ensure, entitlement, environmental, equity, equivalent, equivocation, erosion, espionage, establish, ethicality, evaluate, evaporation, evidence, evolution, exasperation, exception, exclusion, exclusion, execute, expansion, expatriation, expertise, exploitation, exposure, extension, extinction, extraordinary, facilitate, facilitation, factor, feasibility, feasible, feud, flexibility, fluctuation, fortification, fragmentation, framework, fraternity, function, fundamental, generation, global, governance, gratification, gratitude, guarantee, guidance, hierarchy, hypothesis, ideation, identity, ignorance, illustrate, impact, impartiality, impeachment, implementation, imply, incentive, inception, incorporate, indicate, indicator, indignation, inevitable, infatuation, ingenuity, ingratitude, initiative, innovation, insight, insinuation, integration, integrity, intellectual, intelligence, intensity, interaction, interpret, intervention, introspection, inundation, investment, involvement, isolation, justification, juxtaposition, lamentation, legislation, legitimacy, legitimate, legitimization, liability, liberal, literature, litigation, magnanimity, maintenance, majority, manifestation, manipulation, materialism, mechanism, mediation, migration, minimal, misconception, modification, motivation, neglect, negligence, negotiation, nostalgia, notion, obfuscation, objective, obligation, observation, occupation, optimism, optimization, orientation, ornamentation, outcome, output, overestimation, overlap, paradigm, paradox, parameter, participation, partnership, patriotism, perception, perplexity, perspective, perturbation, phenomenon, philosophy, placation, polarization, policy, political, portfolio, potential, practical, predicament, predilection, preference, preservation, prevention, priority, probability, procedure, procrastination, profiteering, proliferation, propensity, proportion, proposal, prospect, protocol, psychological, publication, purchase, qualification, quantitative, ratio, reciprocity, reclamation, reconciliation, recovery, refutation, regulation, reinforce, rejection, rejuvenation, relapse, relevance, reliability, remuneration, reparations, requirement, resilience, resolution, resource, responsibility, restoration, retraction, revenue, rigorous, satisfaction, scenario, scholarship, selection, sentimentality, significance, simulation, solidarity, solution, sophistication, sovereignty, speculation, stability, stagnation, stipulation, strategy, stratification, structure, subjugation, subsequent, subsidy, substance, substantial, sufficiency, sufficient, sustainability, sustainment, synthesis, tactfulness, target, tenacity, tend, tendency, theoretical, transaction, transformation, transition, transparency, trend, tribulation, turbulence, uncertainty, utilize, validation, validity, variable, variation, viability, vindication, vindictive, violation, visibility, vulnerable, welfare, widespread,